Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Cape Coral local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a great moving company to manage your cross-country or long-distance Florida relocation can cause anxiety. How do you know if you're hiring the right Cape Coral moving company? Florida has been a target for moving company scams for the past few years, as it has become an increasingly popular destination. You can avoid getting tangled up with a disreputable moving company by being careful and considering professional movers in Cape Coral FL that are registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. 3Movers in Cape Coral is a registered mover, and we have an outstanding safety and customer service history you can see on the FMCSA website. Finding the best Cape Coral movers for a local job has different challenges than searching for a long-distance moving company. Some companies are reluctant to do an in-person survey for a small local move and may offer to provide you with an estimate based on your verbal description of the scope of work. If you have a straightforward job, this is okay. But for most moves, it is better to have the mover come to your residence and complete a visual survey of what you are moving. This is the best way to get an accurate estimate of how long the move should take, which determines the price. 3Movers will conduct the in-home estimate and take the time to explain the charges you see on the bid, so everything is clear before you decide. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cape Coral moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.